Hello everyone, we are beginning the installation of the aircraft fuselage and accessories. Find a sharp knife to cut the wooden pieces for later use. Identify the parts needed for bonding. Remove the aircraft canopy. Separated from the fuselage. Remove the plastic wing parts and apply glue to both sides. Press firmly. Remove the plastic part of the horizontal tail fin, and apply glue to both sides. Press firmly. Take out the guide plate, apply glue to the contact surface, and stick it firmly. Adhesive splitter compartment studs. Sticker plate stud. GPS cabin stud. Studs for attaching equipment compartments to the belly of the aircraft. Antenna mounting bracket inside the cabin. Glue on tail fin reinforcement board. Adhesive tail fin motor mount. Adhesive re-takeoff antenna mounting base. If an antenna is mounted on the vertical tail fin, the glue rod antenna needs to be pre-embedded. Pre-assemble the tail section and locate the contact surfaces that require adhesive application. Apply adhesive to the contact surface and press it in place. First, pre-install the left landing gear. Apply glue to the contact surface. Note that it needs to be rotated during insertion. Bonded main carbon tube reinforced carbon sheet. Secure with the screws that come with the tripod. Bonded aileron carbon sheet. Install main and auxiliary sleeves and horizontal tail fin sleeves. Adhesive bonding of plastic parts to right fuselage wing. Adhesive guide plate. Adhesive horizontal tail fin plastic parts. Adhesive motor base reinforced wood board. Adhesive antenna mounting base. Install the pre-embedded studs on the right fuselage. Pre-installed right landing gear. Glue right landing gear. Adhere the main and auxiliary carbon tubes, and reinforcing carbon sheets, and tighten them with screws. Confirm the bonding surfaces of the left and right fuselage, then apply the adhesive. First, secure the tail motor mount, then insert the main and auxiliary sleeves, and finally press them firmly. The motor mount can be reinforced and secured with adhesive tape. The landing gear reinforcing carbon sheets are bonded together and secured with 3 screws on each side. Adhesive front plastic parts. Adhesive bonded power distribution compartment. Wooden components. First, pre-install the load compartment reinforcing wooden panels, then glue them together. Bonding the distributor cap. Adhesive bonding load, flight control, GPS compartment cover. Adhesive bonded load locking baffle plate. Secure the front locking hook of the aircraft fuselage with M28mm screws. Check if the connections at the front of the aircraft are smooth. Finally, install the center of gravity hanging ring, and with that, the assembly of the fuselage is complete.